Hello, my people. I know both of you will be wondering what is Lejos doing again. I must come to tell you this. If you have like crutches on your face, a pimples on your face, this is what I do every day. You understand? That's why you say, Lejos, you are fresh, because they look young. This is what I do. Take a little of close-up. This type of close-up, this is what I'm saying. This one. Take a little of this one. And let me show you something. You take a little of, this is Vaseline. See, take a little of Vaseline, then you take a little of lime orange, then you mix it together. Use your hand to mix it together, then it will give you some color. You understand? It will give you some little color. Then after you mix it with your hand, just take it. Nothing. So as I was saying before I was interrupted by the call, please just mix it together. Use it to rub your face. You see my face? This is what I use for my beard. That is the reason why you don't see anything like heat hatches or maybe pimples, a crush on my neck or my beard. You see? This is what I use every day. Just try this at home. Then you will come back to me and tell me, Lejos, this is real. Okay? Just go and try it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you all.